Welcome to Databases, the foundation of modern tech.
Databases are essential for organizing and managing information in nearly every industry. From social media to banking, they power the apps and services we use daily. Understanding databases is a vital skill for anyone considering a tech career, as they shape how data is stored, accessed, and used.
What is a database?
A database is a structured collection of data stored in a way that allows for efficient access and management. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet where information can be quickly organized, retrieved, or updated. Databases ensure that data remains consistent, secure, and easily available for users or applications.
Types of databases you should know.
The two main types are relational databases, like mySQL and PostgreSQL, which organize data in tables, and non-relational or NoSQL databases, like MongoDB, designed for flexible data structures. Each type has benefits depending on how you need to store and access your information.
Why databases matter in tech careers.
Proficiency with databases opens doors to many tech roles, including web development, data analysis, mobile apps, and cybersecurity. Employers expect you to understand how to store, retrieve, and protect data effectively. Even basic database skills set a strong foundation for more advanced learning.
Next steps for beginners.
Start by learning basic database concepts, such as tables, queries, and relationships. Try simple projects using tools like SQLite or mySQL. Online tutorials, exercises, and real-world projects will help you build confidence. As you develop these core skills, you'll be ready for more advanced database technology.